I wanted just to fast show you these cards that I made using Stamping Bella's Bundle Girl with a Snowdrop stamp. She's so adorable. And I made these 4 cards, which are quite similar, just different covers for each girl, but I will have a process video of this one, how I covered, and I will try to put in the description box all of the color combinations. I used these many markers, and I also used this Spring Fling Long Phones patterned paper, and the sentiments are in Finnish, which is like sunshine in your day and smile in your day. So I will have everything in my description box, and a really short video showing how I covered one of the girls. And I hope everyone is safe and well. I had to move my crafting table to a different room, and it's a little bit different and hard for me to craft when it's sun shining straight onto my desk. But I hope everything gets back to normal really soon. I will play some music for you while I have the covering part. So bye!